everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this gorgeous ginger curly unit for you all. So if you're interested in this wig, then please keep on watching. So this wig is a black and red unit, and I have reviewed the purple version to this one, but this one is available on Amazon. So if you're looking for a different color or you just want the style, you can definitely check this out on Amazon. So this color is amazing. The color is so vibrant, but it's not as, punchy as the purple one. This one is more of a, let's say, wearable color for most people who aren't into color like myself. So this one is such a gorgeous color, and it's just meshing so well with everything right here. For the specs of this unit, it has 2 combs at the front, no combs at the back, but there is adjustable straps. This wig is 18 inches in length, and it is a standard 22.5 inch cap. It's also a full cap wig, so there is no lace. So this is pretty much a throw on, fluff and go type of wig, and I love everything about this wig. There's all different sorts of colors, but on this particular listing on Amazon, it comes in a black, it comes in this black to red, it comes in a black to brown, a black to blonde, and it also has an all copper color like the afro wig I have reviewed a couple of weeks ago. It's exactly like that color, but in this style. I think I like that one too, but I am in love with this color. The style as well is quite fabulous, and I do love the length as well. So I do love everything about this unit. There aren't any cons for me, unless if you have an issue with longer, curlier wigs, then this probably won't be for you, but I'm sure there's a lot of people who would love this color and how this looks. I'm feeling her, like this is 100% me. So you can definitely check this one out on Amazon. This is perfect, and it will get it much faster. We all are trying to get our spring summer wigs on point, ready to go, and I'm ready for this summer with this one right here. She is giving. Okay, I am loving her. So if you want any more information about this unit, I would leave a link down below to this unit, so you can go check out the colors, even this color, and order you one and tell me if you like it or not. I love it, like 10 out of 10 for me. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms and to subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of any other future uploads. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.